For this problem, I wanted to run through the solutions for given a list of min terms, coming up with a minimal SOP Boolean expression. Okay, so that's a key term, SOP, sum of products, so you don't need to consider anything else. You don't need to worry about POS. If I just said minimal and I didn't say whether it's SOP or POS, you would need to look at both, okay? But if I'm just looking at one, we get started with a Carnot map. And I look at this and it's 3 variables. And our tradition in the class has been that A is the most significant bit position and B and C follow. All right, so here's the starting of the Carnot map, and we quickly label that. Here's A, here's B, C. Okay, and then we put the min terms on the map. All right, so 0, 1, 2, 6, and 7. From there, we look for a way to cover all the 1s and avoid all the 0s. Okay, so I'm looking at min term 7, and the only way I can cover min term 7 is that I include 6. All right, so we're going to have to include that term in green, and then from there I need to cover the rest of the min terms. Min term 1 is only covered here. All right, so then I have a choice. I can cover min term 2 with either this covering, or I could do this covering. All right, so let's just go ahead and do that one. Yeah, it's 6 of one, half dozen of the other. So at this point, I just need to read the Carnot map. All right, and so if I'm looking at the one that's shaded in red, I start at the A variable. It's A bar. It's not inside of A. It's not inside of B. It spans the C variable, so C drops out. Okay, so that's the red term. All right, let's move to the blue term. Okay, so the blue term, it's in A bar. Okay, and then it spans B, so B drops out. And then I have C bar. And so that would be the term in blue. All right, and then finally the term in green, the grouping in green, I have inside of A, inside of B, and it spans C. All right, so this would be A, B, and there's the final grouping. All right, so that's it. That's all you need to do. All right, and so I expect you to be able to do that pretty quickly on an exam.